Prompts to try in Copilot for Microsoft 365. You know, Microsoft Copilot and Microsoft 365 is your AI assistant at work, but how do you get the most out of it? Try one of these popular prompts. Recap a meeting. Or have Copilot surface key details for you. Never start with a blank page. Ask Copilot to generate the first draft. Or polish a doc to get the tone just right. Need to make an impression. Begin a presentation from a file. Continue to fine-tune until it's just right. Keep the conversation flowing. Copilot drafts emails that are clear, concise, and ready to go. Use Copilot to brainstorm your next great idea. You are in control. Search across the web or just within your internal apps to find the information you need. The possibilities are endless. Make the most out of every opportunity with Copilot.